Empirical research reports the results of a study that uses data derived from actual observation or experimentation. An empirical research article typically includes the following sections: methods, results, and discussion. The following methodologies are examples of empirical research and therefore primary sources. The methodology is usually included in the detailed record of an article and can be found by clicking on the title of an article in the database. Look for empirical, quantitative, qualitative, clinical, or longitudinal type studies. Every research article has a section called a literature review that provides background information or an overview of the topic, including research related to the topic. But some peer-reviewed articles are a literature review, which means the whole article is a comprehensive review of research within a certain time period on a topic. A literature review article is not considered empirical research. Peer-reviewed articles can also be more like an essay with a discussion of a topic or a new theory. These articles are not empirical and do not contain original research. If you are not sure if you have found an empirical research article for an assignment, contact a librarian or your professor.
The easiest way to find empirical articles is to use the library databases. Go to the library homepage. Click on Databases. Then click on EBSCO. At the top of the list, click the tiny button for all databases. Then click the yellow Continue button. In the search box, you will put in your topic. Scroll down and click on Full Text and Scholarly Peer-Reviewed Journals. Then go up and click on the Search button. To narrow this to empirical articles, scroll down and click on Methodology in the left-hand column. Under Methodology, there is a box for empirical studies. Click on the title of an article, and you can see the author, the journal title, the abstract, etc. What is important is that in the methodology field, this article is listed as an empirical study, and it's also a quantitative study.
You can find empirical research articles using most of our databases. Try ProQuest and Sage. Let's look at an article and the different sections that will identify it as empirical research. The first page in a research article includes the title, abstract, and keywords. Looking at the abstract can help you determine if the article is empirical research. Specifically, look at the methodology. The introduction is next, which gives us some background information about the topic and ties to previous research. This article includes the theoretical background of the topic rather than a literature review. Then the authors describe 3 different hypotheses for their study. The methods section describes the participants and exactly how the study was conducted. Even though this article does not explicitly state it, this is an example of quantitative research. Data was collected using surveys. Also included in the methods section is the procedure and the way the data was analyzed. The results section is divided into 3 parts, addressing each of the 3 hypotheses. Next, you can see the results displayed in table format. This provides a visual to help you understand what the results mean. Finally, we reach the discussion section at the end. This section describes what the researchers learned. This section usually includes recommendations for further studies. Sometimes the questions for the survey are also located in an appendix. I hope you found this review of empirical research beneficial. Don't forget to reach out for help if you need it, to a librarian or your professor.